Hey guys, Scott here talking about the Caraway frying pans that I got. Very nice. They come with a little cleaning eraser and a protective cover for them. And very well, nice package, make a great gift. And as you can see here, the ceramic surface doesn't have any PTFEs or anything in it that's going to transfer to your food. So it's real healthy cooking for you. And nothing sticks. Things just flat around in the pan. You see, really happy with that. My old pans were getting old and everything was sticking to them. They work on gas, electric, or induction stovetops. So any kind of cooktop it'll work on. And they are very heavy, even though they're aluminum, very well made, heavy, and they got a pretty blue finish on the ones we got. So I'm excited to have them. They're cooking really well. And we'll just have to see. Time will tell how well they hold up. But for now, giving them a big thumbs up.